So hi everyone, today I am going to give you a tour of my indoor garden. So we'll be starting with this one. So this is cayenne pepper. So it's been a month now and you can see its growth. And the next one is serrano chili. These are just Indian chili, and this is one of my favorites. This is a special variety of sunflower. It's known as Miss Sunshine. So it's been over 3 months now. These are here organic carrots, and these are just wild flowers, and there are some more chilies. And this one is tomatoes on the grapevine, and there are some more tomatoes. This one is Indian mint. This is marigold. This is again mint. This is mustard plant, and this is my herb garden. These are parsley and these are basil, and some which are growing here are thyme. And this one in a bowl is gladulus. So it's been about 5 weeks, and I'm using a special method, hydroponic method, to see in how many days these will flower. These are holy basil. It's known as tulsi in India. These are again tomatoes. This one is small tomatoes. And these are iris flower. And down below is my lemon plant, which I have grown from seed. And these are some more chilies. These are Indian chilies. And the last one is habanero pepper. Habanero pepper is known as the world's spiciest pepper. Thank you for watching. Bye.